6 causes and solutions for leg weakness after 60 years. Have you ever had difficulty climbing stairs or carrying out simple tasks, such as walking to the store? Could these signs be indicating something more serious about your muscle health? What if this weakness in your legs, which seems so innocent, is related to conditions that could compromise your independence? These questions are important to reflect on a problem that affects many people after the age of 60. Leg weakness. What many don't know is that loss of strength can be a symptom of silent but serious conditions, such as muscular, circulatory, or nervous diseases. In this video, you will discover the 6 most common causes of leg weakness, how to identify them, and what practical steps can help with prevention and treatment. Shall we dive deeper into this topic? Let's get started. 1. A silent enemy. What is sarcopenia, and how does it affect you? Have you ever heard of sarcopenia? Although the name sounds complicated, this is a problem that affects many people over the age of 40 and intensifies with age, especially after 60. Sarcopenia is the name given to the gradual loss of muscle mass, accompanied by a significant reduction in muscle strength and quality. This condition is directly linked to the natural aging process, but it doesn't mean you should accept it as inevitable. Signs of sarcopenia begin to appear subtly. Difficulty climbing stairs, carrying shopping bags, or even getting up from a chair can be the first warning signs. These small daily challenges indicate that muscles are losing their ability to support simple activities, impairing mobility and independence. The good news is that there are ways to prevent and even reverse the impacts of sarcopenia. The first step is to understand that maintaining muscle health requires conscious effort. Practicing physical resistance exercises, such as weight training, Pilates, or activities with elastic bands, is one of the most effective strategies for strengthening muscles and preventing accelerated loss of muscle mass. Furthermore, nutrition plays a crucial role. Adequate protein consumption is essential for muscle maintenance and repair. While younger adults need about 1 gram of protein per kilogram of body weight, older people should increase this intake to at least 1.5 grams per kilogram. For example, if you weigh 70 kilos, you should consume around 105 grams of protein daily, preferably divided between your main meals. To complement this, it is important to pay attention to other nutrients, such as vitamin D, calcium, magnesium, and iron, which help preserve muscle quality and general health. Carrying out periodic exams and simple tests, such as the sit and stand test, also helps to identify any sign of muscle weakness early. Remember, sarcopenia may be silent, but the impact it has on quality of life is stark. With preventative care, you can protect your strength, mobility, and independence for years to come. 2. Compromised circulation. Understand the impact of arterial diseases on the legs. Did you know that leg weakness can be directly linked to your circulation? Arteries are responsible for delivering blood rich in oxygen and nutrients to the muscles, while veins return blood to the heart. When something compromises this flow, such as peripheral arterial disease, your legs may begin to show warning signs, such as pain, fatigue, and weakness. Peripheral arterial disease occurs when fatty plaques accumulate in the arteries that supply the legs, making it difficult for blood to flow. This blockage can cause a symptom known as intermittent claudication, characterized by pain or tiredness after short walks, such as climbing stairs or walking a block. The person needs to stop to rest, and only then can they continue walking. The main risk factors for this condition include smoking, diabetes, high blood pressure, and high cholesterol. If left untreated, these problems increase plaque formation and worsen symptoms. Therefore, prevention is essential. Adopting a healthy diet, avoiding smoking, and practicing regular physical activity are important steps to keep your circulation in good condition. But how do you know if the circulation in your legs is compromised? Diagnosis begins with a medical evaluation, which may include simple exams, such as palpation of pulses in the feet and legs. If a blockage is suspected, a Doppler exam, similar to an ultrasound, can identify the presence and degree of blockage in the arteries. Treatment varies depending on the severity of the condition. In milder cases, lifestyle changes, such as controlling chronic diseases and exercising, can bring major improvements. In advanced cases, it may be necessary to use medications, such as anticoagulants, or even procedures such as angioplasty, which unblocks the arteries. Taking care of the health of your arteries is taking care of your future. With adequate circulation, your legs will have the energy they need to accompany you through every stage of life. Don't ignore signs of weakness or pain, as they can be a warning that your circulation needs attention. 3. Nerves under attack. How neuropathy can weaken your legs. Have you ever felt your legs tingle, go numb, or even weak for no apparent reason? These symptoms may be signs of neuropathy, a condition that affects the nerves responsible for transmitting stimuli between the brain, muscles, and joints. Peripheral neuropathy is caused by damage to the nerves that control the legs, impairing strength, sensitivity, and motor coordination. One of the main risk factors for neuropathy is poorly controlled diabetes, which, over the years, can act as a toxin for the nerves, compromising their structure and function. Imagine that nerves are like electrical wires. When these wires are bare, electrical signals are not transmitted effectively, resulting in muscle weakness, a burning sensation, or loss of sensation. This is how neuropathy can interfere with leg function. To prevent neuropathy, controlling risk factors is essential. If you're diabetic, keeping your blood sugar at healthy levels is the best way to protect your nerves. Furthermore, practicing regular physical activity and eating a balanced diet, rich in B vitamins, help preserve neurological health. The diagnosis of neuropathy can be made through clinical examinations and specific tests. In the office, your doctor may use tools such as a tuning fork or monofilament to assess the sensitivity of your feet and legs. If necessary, more detailed tests, such as electroneuromyography, can measure the conduction speed of the nerves, confirming the diagnosis. And how to treat neuropathy. Treatment includes the use of specific medications to alleviate symptoms such as pain and burning, as well as vitamin supplementation, especially vitamin B12. Physiotherapy also plays a crucial role, helping to strengthen muscles and improve mobility. Don't ignore the warning signs. If you experience persistent weakness, tingling, or numbness in your legs, seek medical advice. Protecting your nerves is essential to guarantee your mobility, independence, and quality of life. 4. The hidden truth behind nutritional deficiencies and their consequences. Did you know that leg weakness can be related to a lack of essential nutrients in the body? Nutritional deficiencies, especially of vitamins and minerals, play a silent but crucial role in muscle and nerve health. Among them, the lack of vitamin B12 is one of the most worrying. Vitamin B12 is essential for the proper functioning of the nervous system and the production of blood cells. When levels of this vitamin are low, symptoms such as fatigue, muscle weakness, and even changes in leg sensitivity, such as tingling or numbness, appear. Vitamin B12 deficiency is common in older people due to the difficulty in absorption that can occur with aging. In addition to vitamin B12, other deficiencies, such as iron, magnesium, and vitamin D, can also affect leg health. Iron, for example, is essential for the transport of oxygen in the blood. When there is a lack of this nutrient, the muscles receive less oxygen, resulting in tiredness and weakness. Magnesium and vitamin D are essential for muscle contraction and relaxation, and their absence can lead to cramps and pain. But what causes these deficiencies? While a nutrient-poor diet is one reason, inadequate absorption also plays a role. Conditions such as atrophic gastritis, prolonged use of medications such as stomach acid inhibitors, and even metabolic changes can interfere with nutrient absorption. How to identify a nutritional deficiency? Blood tests are essential to assess the levels of vitamins and minerals in the body. If a deficiency is detected, the doctor may recommend dietary changes or necessary supplementation. For example, vitamin B12 can be supplemented orally or, in cases of poor absorption, injectable. Prevention is the best medicine. A balanced diet, rich in sources of animal protein, green vegetables, legumes, fruits, and whole grains, can provide the nutrients your body needs. Furthermore, carrying out periodic examinations helps to detect any deficiency early. Taking care of your nutrition is an important step in keeping your legs strong and healthy. Don't underestimate the importance of good nutrition and balancing nutrients in your body. Have you ever thought that weakness in your legs could be related to your heart health? The heart plays a crucial role in blood circulation, pumping nutrients and oxygen throughout the body, including the leg muscles. When this function is compromised, as in heart failure, the consequences can include tiredness, swelling, and loss of muscle strength. Heart failure occurs when the heart cannot pump blood effectively. This condition can be caused by factors such as uncontrolled hypertension, coronary heart disease, previous heart attacks, or even valve disease. As a result, blood does not reach the extremities properly, affecting the nutrition and oxygenation of the muscles. One of the most common signs of this condition is a feeling of weakness accompanied by swelling, especially in the legs and ankles. These symptoms may worsen at the end of the day or after light physical exertion. In more serious cases, heart failure can further limit mobility and impair quality of life. How to diagnose heart failure? The first step is to consult a cardiologist, who will carry out a detailed clinical evaluation. Exams such as echocardiography, a type of ultrasound of the heart, are essential to evaluate cardiac structure and function. Other blood tests and stress tests can complement the diagnosis. And what to do when the heart is not working as it should. Treating heart failure involves a combination of medications and lifestyle changes. Diuretics help eliminate excess fluid, relieving leg swelling, while medications that improve the heart's pumping function, such as beta blockers and angiotensin-converting enzyme ACE inhibitors, can reduce symptoms and prevent complications. In addition to medical treatment, the role of the patient is fundamental. Adopting a low-salt diet, controlling weight, practicing supervised physical activity, and avoiding alcohol consumption are essential measures to improve quality of life and prevent the disease from worsening. Remember that the heart is the engine of your body. Taking care of it means not only improving your circulation, but also ensuring that your legs have the strength they need to keep up with you in all your activities. 6. Overloaded spine. What you need to know about the relationship between your spine and your legs. Did you know that back problems can be the cause of weakness, pain, or even difficulty moving your legs? Although often overlooked, spinal health is directly connected to the strength and functionality of the lower limbs. One of the most common problems is spinal canal stenosis, which occurs when the space through which nerves pass in the spine becomes narrow. This compression can affect nerve conduction, resulting in weakness, tingling, pain, and even a feeling of shock in the legs. Another common condition is compression of the sciatic nerve, known as lumbosciatica, which causes intense and localized pain. These conditions are usually associated with changes in the spine, such as herniated discs, osteoarthritis, or even vertebral fractures. Aging also contributes, as the spine undergoes natural wear and tear over the years, increasing the risk of inflammation and nerve compression. Symptoms can vary depending on the severity of the problem and the area of the spine affected. For example, compression of nerve roots in the lower back can cause pain that radiates down the back of the legs to the feet, while stenosis can result in tiredness and weakness when walking. Diagnosis of back problems begins with a clinical evaluation, including imaging tests such as X-rays, CT scans, or MRIs. These tests help identify the location and severity of nerve compression or other structural changes. Treatment varies depending on the severity of the case. In the early stages, physical therapy is the main approach, with exercises that strengthen the muscles around the spine, improving stability and relieving pressure on nerves. Medications to control pain and inflammation may also be recommended. In more serious cases, where there is significant compression or loss of functionality, surgical interventions may be necessary to decompress the nerves and alleviate symptoms. Prevention is always the best way. Maintaining good posture, practicing exercises that strengthen the spinal muscles, and avoiding a sedentary lifestyle are essential steps to protect the health of your spine and, consequently, your legs. Taking care of your spine means taking care of your entire body. Don't underestimate the warning signs, as your mobility and quality of life may depend on it. The secret to overcoming muscle weakness and recovering your independence. Getting this far means you've already taken a big step towards understanding the causes and possible solutions for leg weakness. More than just information, this content was designed to offer practical tools that can transform your life. Muscle weakness is not an inevitable fate of aging. Instead, with the right choices, you can regain your strength, your vitality, and most importantly, your independence. From now on, the responsibility is in your hands. Imagine what it would be like to resume activities that previously seemed difficult, such as walking long distances, playing with your grandchildren, or even carrying out simple everyday tasks without feeling pain or limitations. These small achievements have the power to restore not only mobility, but also self-confidence and joy in life. The secret is to act today, without waiting for symptoms to worsen. Take the suggested simple tests, such as the sit and stand, or the gait test, and seek guidance from healthcare professionals trained to diagnose and treat the cause of weakness. Remember that each body is unique, and medical monitoring is essential to personalized treatment. Adopting healthy habits also makes all the difference. Include muscle-strengthening exercises in your routine, pay attention to your diet, and make sure your diet is rich in proteins and micronutrients that are essential for muscle and nervous health. More than ever, science is at your side. With medical advances, innovative therapies, and the dissemination of reliable information, there are many options available for those who want to live with better quality even after the age of 60. Don't allow yourself to be limited by muscle weakness. See this moment as an opportunity to transform your life and overcome any challenge your body presents to you. You are capable of regaining your strength and vitality, and the best time to start is now. Believe in yourself and take the next step. Your health, your mobility, and your happiness are waiting for you.